All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. Today's video, what we're going to be going over is why it's actually detrimental to save your money instead of beneficial. All right, guys? All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about this little nuisance that eats away at your money while you save it, okay? So that's why it's imperative that you just don't go out there and save your money. You actually store it for now. So let's say store it better than saving. Store it for now while you find an investment vehicle that's able to produce you 10, maybe 20, 30% rate of return. All right, guys, that's the ultimate goal. That's what I've been trying to preach to you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and share an example of inflation, current inflation. All right, let's say you were to save $1,000 in the bank. Current rate of inflation, I don't know if you guys have been watching the news, is between 7 to 10%. So that means in 1 year, guys, in 1 year, your money's going to be devalued between $70 to $100, guys. Isn't that ridiculous? While you go out there breaking sweat, losing sleep, doing all these things to go work for your money, while you're leaving it in the bank, ready to lose value, all right? So that means by the end of the year, your money will either be worth $930 or $900, guys. Isn't that a shame? Absolutely, guys. All right, so that's why you have to go out there and find an investment vehicle that's going to be able to produce you these type of gains, 10, 20% rate of return. All right, so we'll go ahead and make the comparison right now. All right, so saving your money versus investing, okay? All right, so saving your money, you're going to be losing between 7 to 10%, while the bank is only going to be paying you a 1% interest rate for saving your money with them. All right, so that's either going to leave you with a negative 6 to 9% rate of return on your money. All right, guys, so investing, all right, like I said, go out there, do your research, find the best investment vehicle out there, whether it be the stock market, real estate, personal business, anything like that. Just find a vehicle, guys, that you guys are comfortable with. Remember, all investing involves risk, so do your research, guys, due diligence. Okay, so let's say you're able to get an investment that gets you 10, maybe 20, maybe 30%. All right, there's some investments that could do way more than that. If you guys were able to get into crypto, some of these stocks that were hit by 50% value when coronavirus hit, guys, you were able to instantly double your money within a year or two. All right, so these possibilities aren't ridiculous. They're out there, guys. Like I said, just do your research. All right, so that means instead of you losing money, let's say we go with the highest rate of inflation, all right, 10%. If you at least invest it, it'll be keeping up with inflation, so your money doesn't lose value. Now, if you do the 20%, you get an investment that gives you a 20%. Now you're beating inflation by 10%, guys. So that means your money's appreciating by 10% instead of losing value, all right? Say 30%, guys. Now you're able to get a 20% increase on top of inflation, all right, guys? So that means for every $1,000 that you invested at that rate, your money will still be worth $1,000, all right? That's option one. All right, so let's say with option two, at a 20% rate of return, that means your money will be worth $1,200 by the end of the year, minus inflation, $100. You're left with $1,100, guys. So your money is still appreciated in value and so forth, okay? So with the 30%, it'll be, break it down for you really quickly, be $1,300 minus 100. You're still left with $1,200, guys. So outpacing inflation, all right? So that's all I want to share with you guys. Don't save your money, guys. If you do, just think about it as storing money, okay? So you're storing your principal to go find your investment vehicle, put your money in that investment vehicle, let it ride, guys. If you guys are able to find an investment vehicle that can get you dividends plus appreciation, guys, that's where you want to be, all right? Hopefully you guys like this content. I appreciate the support that you guys have been giving me on my channel. We keep on growing daily. Hopefully we keep on growing so that we can share information with as many investors as possible, help them and yourselves create financial freedom, guys. Catch you on the next video.